If you want to learn English vocabulary quickly, easily, and without getting bored, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, you'll discover essential words that will help you in your daily life.
Oh wow, Mark, is that you?
Sarah, hey, what a surprise. It's been ages.
I know. I didn't expect to see you here. How have you been?
I've been pretty good. Just came back from my vacation actually.
Really? That's awesome. Where did you go?
I went to Spain for 2 weeks. It was amazing. And you? Did you travel anywhere?
Oh yes, I went to the beach with my family. We spent a whole week in Cancun.
Wow, that sounds so nice. Was the weather good?
Perfect. Sunny every single day. We spent most of the time swimming, eating seafood, and just relaxing by the sea.
That sounds like a dream. I love the beach. Did you try any special food there?
Oh yes. We ate a lot of tacos, fresh fish, and tropical fruits. And I drank way too many coconut waters.
Ah, classic beach life. In Spain it was similar for me. Lots of paella, tapas, and sangria.
So, where exactly in Spain did you go?
Mostly Barcelona. The city is beautiful. The architecture, the streets, the people, everything was so lively.
Did you go to the beach too?
Of course. Barcelona has beautiful beaches. I went almost every afternoon after sightseeing.
Lucky you. I've always wanted to visit Barcelona.
You should. And you can walk everywhere. I visited Sagrada Familia, Park Güell, and even went hiking near Montserrat.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Did you travel alone?
No, I went with 2 friends from college. We rented an apartment near the center.
And what about the nightlife? I heard Spain has crazy parties.
Oh, absolutely. People there go out so late. Dinner at 10 p.m., party at midnight, and dancing until morning. It was exhausting but fun.
Ha 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 ha. In Cancun it was the opposite. We woke up super early to see the sunrise at the beach.
Wow, that's peaceful. Totally different vibe.
Did you buy anything special in Spain?
Just some souvenirs. Magnets, postcards, and a beautiful handmade leather wallet.
Nice. I bought lots of handmade jewelry in Cancun. And of course, a ridiculous amount of seashells.
Ah, classic tourist move.
So, when's your next trip?
No idea. I need to save money again. Traveling is not cheap.
Tell me about it. But it's totally worth it.
Definitely. Every trip feels like a new story to tell.
Agreed. Hey, I have to go now, but it was so good talking to you.
Yeah, me too. Let's not wait another year to catch up, okay?
Deal. Take care, Mark.
You too, Sarah. Safe travels next time.